All right, folks, today we're at 137 Lyman Street here in South Hadley. Everybody loves this town. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This is your local look. All right, let's go inside and say hi to Liz from Berkshire Hathaway. She's gonna show us around this great place. Let's go. Oh, we have a special guest here today. We have Eli's gonna show us around as well. Eli, you wanna take us in the kitchen? We're gonna go find Liz and then we're all gonna walk around this place and take a look. Liz, what is up? How we doing? Boom! And then we do this and we blow it up. You've seen this house, right? You wanna go show us around?
Welcome to 137 Lyman Street in South Hadley, Massachusetts. This home is unique in that it has 2 separate garage doors and 2 separate driveways. The front is a little bit steep, so you can always drive around to the back. This home has 1,147 square feet, and that doesn't include the nice finished room in the basement. This home has gas and central air, 3 bedrooms, 1 and 1/2 bathroom, and hardwood floors throughout the entire home.
Great house. I love the access both in the front and the back. If you want to come see this place, reach out to Liz. Her info's up on the screen. Set up a private tour and see it for yourself. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. See you next time. We're out of here.